Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your 10-minute total body dumbbell strength. So you can go ahead and start moving your body. We are not going to do much of a warm-up. We're just gonna get the blood flowing. This is a great workout if you want to add it on at the end after another workout, or if you only have 10 minutes. What we've got today is we have 10 moves covering your entire body, so total body, but each move we're only doing once for 40 seconds. So pay attention. I'll give you lots of options. I'll remind you to be where you are today and work to your level. All right, so we're starting with our super basic squat. If you want to grab one dumbbell and hold it in the center, we're going to sit low in that squat and bring it up. I'm going to go with a heavy dumbbell. I'm going from my 20. I'm going to keep my other one close by. You can have dumbbell high or low, but sit down into that squat. Here we go. Sit low and drive it up. So starting with a very classic move. A lot of workouts start with this because it is a good way to get your body prepped for more movement. It's a compound movement, meaning we're getting a lot of muscle groups working together, a lot of things, muscle, and it's multi-joint. Again, if that weight is not right, you can hold the weight down below, or you can even just take this body weight. If you need to take it a little higher, that's okay too. But just getting low if you can and pressing up through those heels. Core is engaged, chest is open. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna grab a second dumbbell. So if you have two, if you only have one, you can just alternate. We're gonna roll those shoulders back. We're gonna hinge something heavy to medium. These back muscles are strong. We're gonna do a row. So pull those elbows up to your side. Hinge it here. 3, 2, 1. I think what you're gonna find is, because this is a no repeat workout, because we're moving quickly from one thing to the next, even though we're not moving fast, we're doing back to basics movements, you're gonna find that that heart rate stays up too, because we have less rest, and hopefully you're lifting heavy weights like me. You are strong. Don't be afraid of those heavy weights. We all need them. If you're starting to feel like it too much in your back, you can come up and get a little stretch, or you can also stagger. That can be helpful. And breathe right here. And bring it up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, guys, so our next one is gonna be an alternating lunge. So our lunge, we're gonna step back and bring it here, step back. So step back, hip distance apart, get low if you can, 1 or 2 dumbbells, or no dumbbells, you can keep it body weight 2, lower body, 3, 2, 1. Right here. The good news about this workout is we do a lot of things up top, and then we finish down on the mat. Right here. Yes. Right here. Drop it down. Ah, I know. Yes, you can. If those weights start to feel too heavy, drop one or drop them both, and just keep your body moving. Slow lunge, down and up. Right here. Yes. Last one. Set those heavy ones aside. Next, we have a curl and a press. So I do want you to go a little lighter on this. Smaller muscle groups. Bicep curl. Take them out into a press, then down and down. You can also alternate or just do one of those. If you just want to do a curl or just a press, that works too. Here we go. Down and down right here. After this, one more thing up top, then we go to the mat. Another option with this one, you can keep those arms close. We call this a hammer grip, right? So we're here, and down. 10 seconds. Yes. 3, 2, 1. All right, set those aside. Now we're gonna take it to a deadlift. So this is a hinge. So instead of a squat or a lunge, you're gonna hinge. Weight stay close to the front of the legs. You're gonna stand up straight. Imagine you're trying to Push the door closed behind you. You can go heavy with this one. Shoulders back. Let's do it. Some things to think about on this one. Keep the weights close to the front of your body. Even if you feel extra tight, don't feel like you have to go all the way down to the floor. What we want to avoid is this, right? We want to keep the eyes up. You can bend in the knees a little bit more if you're starting to feel that low back, or you can even bring your weights to the side, right here. Hinge position. So as you can tell, we're going through basically our basic movement patterns. Squat, lunge, hinge, push, pull. Last one right here. And breathe. All right, team, down on your back. So now we're going to core. You can take this with or without a weight. So if you want to keep it super simple, you can just do a dead bug here. But if you want to add a weight, we're going to do a little pullover as those legs go out. Starting here we go. Start with the legs, just one at a time. And if that's not right for you, you can do a little toe tap or a little march. This is your option, right? If you want to add the pullover, your head and neck and shoulders stay down. Don't feel like you have to go super fast with this or that you have to do a crunch. You can keep the upper body down and breathe and down. Out. Yes. 3, 2, 1. All right, team, so we're gonna stay down. We're going into a chest press. So just like this, if you can be down on your back, you're gonna keep the core in tight, bring those elbows to about a 45-degree angle. We're gonna press up, we're gonna take it down. So it's all through that upper body push. I'm gonna go heavy with these. Woo! I encourage you to do the same. Here we go. Up and down, slow and controlled. So after we just did that dead bug or that pullover, do you feel that core? I want you to use that to stabilize. Your core's in nice and tight. You're not holding your breath, but you're breathing through the movement while you keep that strong, stable foundation right here. Yes, you can. 10 seconds right here. Up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Weights to the side. Oh, we are so close, team. We're bringing it into a plank. So your plank, we're gonna do an elbow plank. You can just hold. I'll give you some movement options. You can also be on your knees here or your knees here if that feels better for you. But join me in holding. 3, 2, 1. Right here. So just holding, and some things to think about. If you can, arms shoulder width apart. If you need to bring them here, that's okay too. Just watch those shoulders. Try to keep an open chest. I want you to think about stacking your rib cage right over your pelvis. So do you feel like you're too high or dropping down? Pull them in. Imagine that you're bringing your hip bones together and your rib cage together. And then also tighten up those legs and those glutes, right? We're just holding isometric movement, so our muscle is not lengthening or shortening, but it is contracting. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more move from the mat. We're going triceps. I want you to go with something a little lighter. If you can, watch me here. Bring those arms up, then shift them back a little. We're going down, we're going up. Super basic, no core needed. I mean, core needed, but you're not adding extra. Here we go, 40 seconds. You probably feel your core working again. That's why we put these back to back. So we had that chest press, well, we had that dead bug and then chest press from this position. So you can keep the core engaged, but it doesn't have to be working. I mean, it is working, but you knew what I meant, right? If you don't feel comfortable bending over your head, here's another option. Elbows come down straight right by your body. So it's a press, but you feel the difference, right? You feel the back of the arms. You can also take this to one dumbbell if that is a better option for you. Right here. 3, 2, 1. All right, team, meet me standing up. We have one more move. We covered all our basics. Now let's put some things together. In my longer workouts, you might hear me call this a bonus move. So I want your medium to light dumbbells. We're gonna put a few things together here. Watch me here. We're going deadlift. We're going row, then stand up straight. We're gonna go curl, squat, and press. So yes, we're putting a lot of moves together, but you can do it. It's your last 40 seconds. I'll talk you through it. Shoulders back in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Deadlift, hinge, row, stand up, bicep curl, squat it down, come up, and press. Back to center. Deadlift, row, stand up straight, biceps, squat, and press. Take it down. I know. And up. And that curl can be palms in, palms out. Doesn't matter. You can also do a wide row if you want. This is just to get one last hurrah, one last push of our strength while we also get our heart rate up. 3, 2, 1. You did it. Set those weights aside. Catch your breath, team. Bookmark this workout, save this link, whatever you need to do when you want something short and sweet. 10 minutes, but we got it all in. We got all of our major movement patterns in. You can go heavy, especially knowing you only have one round, right? This is also a good one. If you're like, hey, I'm just not feeling it today, I'm just gonna do a 10-minute workout, and then maybe you get to this point and you're like, oh, actually, I feel good now. I feel like I could keep going. You just do the workout again, right? You get a whole nother circuit. So I have tons of these 10-minute videos, 10-minute quick hits, ways that you can get something in short, but get a lot done. Hopefully you're feeling it. Leave me a comment, let me know how you're feeling. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and of course, don't forget to join us in the BodyFit Athletic Club. Let's get one big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your 10-minute total body dumbbell strength workout. Great job, everybody.